Hi guys, how are you doing? This is my first video in the channel. I'll be playing BLOXFRUITS and other Roblox games. I have another channel. I play chess and upload random shorts like dance and stuff. And yeah, today I'll be getting mastery on Blizzard, as you can see here. So let's get started. Let's go Captain Elephant first. I normally play on my iPad, so this is gonna be a bit different. I'm playing on my laptop. Okay. See. Ooh, snowflake, shuriken. That's not bad damage. Ooh, chill. Captain Elephant, you should chill. Oh, that was a full moon. Z. Uh, I don't think we can finish the fight. We're gonna die. Oops. Okay. What? I'm stuck? Okay. Let's ask my friend. Oh, he's not online. Okay. This is gonna be a long run. Let's ask someone. Can anyone help me kill elephant? Okay, let's start that again. Snowflake shuriken. Come. Aura on. Snowflake shuriken. Does that do any difference? With aura or no aura? Just grab that chest. Oh. Snowflake shuriken. Okay. Where's the guy? You coming? He's right there, I can see him. That one there. There's another chest here. Okay. He's nearly like a quarter of his health. What happened there? Okay. Dragon Talon is like, what's happening? Yeah, I'm gonna die. That what happened last year. I mean, last time. Not year. Okay, this guy's gonna kill. Have to go faster. Have to go faster. What? Um, excuse me? Okay. Hurricane, yes, I hit him. Ooh. Okay, that guy did a bit of damage. Let's say thank you. Thank you. Hurricane. I hope we get the mastery, cause sometimes we don't get the mastery. Okay, that guy's just sacrificed. I don't even know him. Okay. Ooh. Am I gonna get stuck? Okay, that's good. This is gonna be so long. Let's see. Ooh. Bruh, this kid just came in and killed me. Oh my god. Okay, I hope Captain Elephant doesn't get his health back. Okay. See. No. I need to get the last hit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, this guy helped. I got tornado flight. It's not that bad. It's slow. Does it do any damage? Let's see. Uh, where are the NPCs? Does the flight do? Oh, this does damage. We can just grind like this. I just found another cheat code. Oh, where am I going? Okay. This is gonna take long if we just do this. Is it just faster if we dash? Okay, let's try dashing. Let's go Logma. Um, I'm really excited for the update. If you're excited, comment down below. I think there's a new sea event being added. Um, I think it's called the Prehistoric Island or something. Oh, not here. Okay, let's switch to another server. And I'll tell you guys when I find Logma. Okay, next server I found Logma. It usually takes like a bit to find Logma, but we got it. Okay, let's start. Logma does do. Oh, we got another move. I didn't even notice. Okay, it's called White Out. Let's check it out. White Out. Ooh, it's got a nice animation. Uh, ooh, it does do quite a bit of damage. See, okay. We need a cheat code. Oh yeah, the wall cheat code would be good. Don't tell me he got stuck there. Oh my god. Come here, Logma. Old guy. Can we just spam our F move? Okay. That's not gonna work. Let's get a range. Okay. So white out. That does quite a bit of damage actually. Dragon Talon is the best fighting style, not gonna lie. I used to use what do you call it? God Human. But then I had like stunning moves. I used Domain as for PvP. I'm not bad at PvP, but not good either. So my friend's really good. He uses Kitsune. Oh, what? How is he outside? How, can anyone explain this? How did he get outside? Okay, white out. I. How did I miss that? C. Okay, I thought that was gonna cancel my move. Yes. Okay. He's so close near dying to die. Okay. That. Oh my god, bro. Just. Why? 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 Bruh. Oh, I was on pirate. My bad. I lost so much bounty. I'm on 4 mil. I hope Logma like recovers so fast. All that hard work was for nothing. Bro, he just had to kill me. He just had to. Oh. What? How did he come outside? White out. Okay. Oh no, he's gonna come in. Let's push him to the side. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna do it. Okay. Where are you? Got him there. Got him. What? How did I miss that? Oh my god. Nah. I hate Logma. I've I'm taking inspiration from like my favorite YouTubers, Winter Clouds. I hate Logma. I'm not gonna do Logma. I'm just not gonna do Logma. Let's go to what do you call it again? Sea of Treats. My favorite place to grind. And then PCs give it quite a bit of XP. So I do have fast boats, so that's good. Um okay, buddy. Okay. Oh, I can't drive. Okay. Which way's cake again? The island. Okay, I kind of see it over there. That's Great Tree. That's haunted. Okay. My favorite place to grind is like near the mountains place. Because it's good. And we get cocoa. We can use it for later. So my favorite YouTubers are Winter Clouds, Me and You, Kit Gaming, Uzot, and Koopa Cool. So yeah, they make great videos. And some of these videos are inspiration from them. So yeah. Okay. How much mastery do I need? 160. Okay. It's my favorite place to grind. Because it's like in a circle. Like from here to all the way over there and then return. Uh, I'll I'll do a training arc. And I'll come back when I'm nearly 159 mastery or something like that. Okay, I'm nearly there. I just need to kill these guys. I just been half farming using the flight mode. See, it does so much damage. Ooh, 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 yes. We got our new ability. Let's check it out here. Howling Wind. Ooh, that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay. Let's kill this guy. X. Okay. And I just need 86 more mastery. I'll see you then. Okay guys, I'm so close for which one's the V3 button? Is it T or R? Okay. I'm so close. I've just been farming them with the flight move, which was actually good. It does decent amount of damage. Not crazy amount, but decent. So which is good. I I thought the update was gonna release tomorrow. Like The date right now is the 15th. I think it was gonna release, my guess was like 16 because the anniversary, BLOXFRUITS 5th anniversary, I think. I've been only playing this for like 6 months till now, so I'm kind of new. I haven't like rolled or had a dragon before because it was on the update. I think I started playing right after T-Rex released, and yeah, this is not my normal build, so I use angel rays, so I use angel as we can see here. Okay, boom. I need the last gear, which is the flight, but I've kept I might use blizzard for like my next gear, and then blizzard is actually kind of good. Oh, we need one more mastery. I didn't even notice that. We skill most as we can, and then it's blizzard domain. How I know BLOXFRUIT is like I watch One Piece, and then I just wanted to play like One Piece and feel like one of those characters, and then like I found BLOXFRUITS. I found other games first which were like boring and then bad, and this BLOXFRUIT, at one point it was boring because of the grinding I had to do, but yeah. Oh, we got our move. Blizzard domain. Where should we use this? Let's use this here. It's my favorite move of all. Ooh, it's holding something there. Oh, that's so much. That does so much damage. Nah, that does so much damage, bro. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and suggest any ideas you guys have. And peace out. And one more thing, I'll just do like a move showcase. So Snowflake Shuriken, nice animation. Whiteout, nice. Howling Wind, says it does so much damage. Blizzard Domain, it's crazy damage. And the last one is the flight. The flight is cool, does damage, and overall I rate this fruit a 8 out of 10. It's actually good. We could easily PvP with this. And the moves look cool. The looks, I would give it 8 out of 10. And yeah, that's all. Please like, share, and subscribe.